All right, class. Today we're going to learn how to factor. In this case, we're going to be factoring trinomials. In particular, we're going to factor x squared minus 7x plus 12. That's what we're going to factor. All right, so we have 3 steps. First step, you want to identify A, B, and C. That's what we're going to do first. Identify A, B, and C. You can find A by looking at x squared, and whatever the coefficient of x squared is, that's what A is. There's nothing in front of x squared. So we can put a 1 there. That means our A value is 1. Okay? We see the coefficient, so that's A. So our B value is found as the coefficient of x, and it has a minus 7. So that's what our x value, that's what our B value is going to be. So B is going to be -7. All right? And our C value is just this constant term here. There's a plus in front of it, so we can just say C is equal to 12. Okay? So that's the first thing we're going to do. Right? Second thing we're going to do is we're going to fill, I want to write fine, in the X. So we're going to make a big old X. That's big enough. And we're going to fill it in. Give myself a little more room there. Okay. So what we're going to fill in with? Well, here I need A times C to go there, and I need B to go there. A times C. What is A? A is 1, B is C is 12. So 1 times 12 is 12, so A times C is 12. 12 is going to go here. B is -7 from right there. So we're going to put a -7 there. All right. So the question is, what goes here and here? That's our step 3. We need to find 2 numbers that work. What do I mean by work? Well, whatever these numbers is they need to multiply to get 12, which is AC, and then they got to add to get -7. So let's find all the numbers that multiply to get 12 and pick 2 of which ones add to give us -7. All right. So that means if I got 12 here, I can do 1 times 12. I can do 2 times 6. I can do 3 times 4. And after that, it just repeats. If I add these, 1 plus 12 is 13. That doesn't help. 2 plus 6 is 8. Not quite 7. And then 3 plus 4 is 7. So I kind of like this. I definitely like this. Only problem is I need to get a -7. But since I got a +7 here, if I make this 3 negative, then 4 negative, then that's going to give me a -7. Well, what about the +12? If I multiply the -3 and a -4, I'll still get a +12. So I have found the 2 numbers that work. They are -3 and -4. So how does that give us our answer? Well, this -3 here is going to give me a factor x minus 3. This 4 is going to give me the factor x minus 4. So that tells me the answer is x squared minus 7x plus 12 is equal to x minus 3 times x minus 4. And that is our answer.